Today on the chopping block, we got WRX in for a short shifter and a sway bar. Let's see how long it takes us. So you gotta take off this heat shield, 4 little bolts. And once this comes off, the other bolt's right over here, behind here. Once you take that off, we can get access to the actual shifter, which should be back there. Here we go. Oh, just attacked me. We out. Now we just gotta take off these 4 bolts and then we can access the cables that we gotta get to. Right here, 1 nut. Right, time to get this plate out. Let's see. Got the plate out. Oh, shit. Right. Yep. Then we got these cables. That one got off. Oh my god. The red tip. What's up with this one?
That one just push in.
Push in?
Yeah, push the close. In the close. And you just pop it out.
Alright, that one's off as well. Alright, so they're both off, so now I gotta go inside, right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Now we gotta take it off from the top.
There's the 4 nuts.
Oh yeah, the 4 nuts. Oh yeah, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, I see them. Alright. There's still 10 mils, right?
Yeah,
I bet.
It should around like 11. It should warm up too. I was out yesterday.
Damn, son. That thing just killed me.
There's no way I should do the 24 degrees right now.
Damn, I keep eating these. Keep eating all these nuts. Hey yo. Hey yo, wait a minute. Hold up. It better not be. Alright, we good. Now we're gonna start, right?
Yeah, now we're
Alright. Just those 2?
Yeah, just those 2. I gotta take the center console out. I like pop it out a little bit. I'm turning around.
Certified by YouTube.
Yep, SNAS. Okay. That's it.
Then it comes off.
Yeah. Yep. It comes off and it pushes it to the back.
Pretty easy. There we go.
Fuck.
From the inside, you said like down and up.
Down, like this one.
Yep, there we go. Now you just pull it towards you and pull it out.
Hold it. Just cut it there.
Boom, put that to the side. Boom.
There we go.
Now we got, this is pretty easy.
Yeah, now it's
Just 2,
12.
4.
Yeah.
I bet. And then we go inside.
This one's already out.
Gotta pull that one.
This one gotta pop out.
Ouch. Almost fell.
Doesn't take much force.
Not
Yep,
shit.
it's not good. We'll get that after.
Now the entire shifter assembly is ready
It's
to
just
come out.
magnet, right?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna
Right,
grab
that
the
works.
lockout, maybe grab back here,
No, what the
grab wherever
You'll get it
need
after.
to.
Or if you want to get it now.
Pop it out. The small white clip is what holds it in once you take the bolts out, so it'll take some force. Once we have it removed, I'm going to go ahead and bring it over to our workbench.
Nice. Pull up
so we can
that
disassemble
cable.
it. Now that I have the shifter,
Got it out now. Time to go inside. Alright, so it's put together. We skipped the whole part of building it because there was a lot of on and a lot of stopping, but we're almost done. It should be back on. Your shift cable. Check it. Yeah, check your shift cable. Good? I bet now I'll do the other one. That red one. Where'd that red one go? That's the one I kind of forgot. Oh no, I know how to do it. This is your... Hold on. Huh? What you say? Hold up. I'm trying to get this cable back in. There's the red one. Huh? Ice cream. Okay, I got the other cable back in. Alright, so now just gotta put these nuts back in. Can you give me those 4 nuts? Alright, last one. They're all pretty tight down here. Alright, should be good. Damn, I lost one. So, a little predicament. This little stick over here broke, and we just noticed it. I'm gonna look back at the footage to see when exactly it broke, but it only happens when I took it off, so I gotta see what happened. But like they say, as long as the majority is on, we'll be alright. So we good. Mother. to me and then it goes flying. This was the hard one. This was the hard one. I need a lift. So let me get a 12 millimeter. And let me get the open in 12. I'm retarded. Alright, it's finally all done. We started around like 2 o'clock and it's currently 5:50. Took a little bit extra time with the sway bar. Those endings were a little pain. The front was pretty quick, but the back is what made it hard with the spacers, but everything's good. So now we've got to take it on a test drive and see how it runs. Feel nice and tight.
Yeah.
The boys!
Shifter on it. That shifter there.
shit.